Hey guys, today we're gonna use a marshmallow cereal flavored to make a mug cake. About a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a mix together. Actually, we're gonna do 2 scoops of protein in that. We're also gonna do a scoop of vanilla. Put in the microwave for 1.5 minutes and 10 to 15-second increments after that if it's not cooked properly. Honestly, guys, it makes the perfect little cake here. So I'm gonna add half a serving of frozen blueberries. I'm gonna add mini chocolate chips. They're golden right here. Gonna actually top it off. Sugar-free syrup.